What the f?
Is it burning?
Holy f. Broke the f***ing bell housing.
You see it?
Yeah,
Where?
broke the bell housing.
Holy.
We had a catastrophic failure. I think we should have used the f***ing, wow. Yeah, we had a little bit of a faux pas here, guys. I think we broke the f***ing yoke right off it. Is the front yoke gone? Holy f***, the case is shattered. The mount shattered, anyway.
Is there a scatter shield for a safety?
No. Anyway, we gotta go get the deck truck. Well, you want to stay and watch the car?
That was quick.
Where's the keys?
Take some with you. That truck's gonna need a detail. That's a hole. Holy f.
1 hour later.
I gotta get over a bit more, I'll be up.
Oh, you're fine.
How's it staying there?
I don't know.
Me neither. E-brake.
Well, don't touch it. Let's get a rock.
Get a rock. Here, just
Here's a piece of metal.
look at it.
Here, give me.
I'll just put it up against it.
Let's put in. Oh wait, this is like.
Oh, the e-brakes too.
So what's keeping it there?
I have no clue. The cable, all the e-brake cables wrapped around the rear end.
Is it? Where?
I don't see nothing.
Under the A-arm?
Oh yeah, under the A-arm, right? Yeah, keep coming over, yeah, right in there, yeah, okay. The back tires are dragging.
Yes. Keep coming.
Hey, on, straighten it out.
Why are you yelling?
You're dumb, you're deaf. The e-brake wrapped around the drive shaft.
Is it?
The e-brake's wrapped around the drive shaft.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I see. She's leaking fluid now. Okay, let's get her up.
Okay, get her out. Where's the f***ing e-brake?
The cable's wrapped around the
Where is it?
right there. See, it's wrapped around the drive shaft.
Oh, there.
Yes.
See?
So once we cut it, it should let the...
That's why it stayed there?
Yeah.
If not, we were rolling backwards, guaranteed.
Yes.
Holy sh**.
Oh,
Pretty lucky.
that's why you smell the brakes on.
That's
And just we were going so fast that they never locked. They couldn't lock it up. Feel how hot the drums are.
Oh, yeah. It's smoking hot. Yeah, double. Not too bad.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's go.
Anyway.
I gotta grab the food, the most important thing.
That was exciting at about 130 miles an hour.
Oh my
wasn't
god. You didn't see my face.
it? Note to self, scatter shield and drive shaft loop.
Why? Because what could have happened?
Could have been all bad.
Because of what?
Because the whole thing let loose.
And what
No, I was
what's the worst case scenario?
Lose a leg, maybe two.
Come up to the floor?
Oh yeah.
That's
Or
great.
drop down in the highway, you start pogo sticking.
Pogo sticking
Yes.
in the car
The drive shaft digs into the pavement at 100 miles an
and
hour.
lifts up the car. Cool.
Cool. That was cool.